Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can draw pins in Google Maps, for instance, on your Android or iPhone. It is actually super simple and works the same way as on computer or laptop. So let's get started. Now in the first step, launch the Google Maps application on your mobile device. I'm going to access Google Maps through my Android phone. So all you need to do, guys, is simply navigate to the location you would like to pin. Like, for instance, let me go to that location here. And simply tap on your display, or to be more precise, on the given location one time with your finger, just like that. And as you can see, the location has been pinned. Now, if it hasn't been pinned, guys, you may do the following. Either tap and hold your finger for a brief moment on the given location till the pin appears, or if that hasn't worked, guys, simply try to zoom in a bit to the given location and repeat the same process. Either tap on the location or tap and hold your finger for a brief moment, and there you go. As you can see now, the given location has been pinned. And that's basically it, guys. That's how to draw pins in Google Maps. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.